Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best travel affiliate programs that you can join right now and earn good money. So let's start. I'll try to make this video quick so you can have like the highest value that you can get. And let's just start. The first one I prepared for you is a TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor got 50% commission structure, which is like pretty good with a cookie duration 14 days. And it's a popular travel site. It's probably known for its local reviews of things to do. Then you can also book hotels, vacation packages, restaurant reservations, and more. And commission structure of 50% is huge. Then we're gonna see TravelPayouts. TravelPayouts, like this one here, and again up to 800, like not 800, 80% with the cookie duration 30 days. And you can monetize your travel website with it. And like TravelPayouts is a great way how you can make money. So I would definitely recommend like checking it out. And you can find plenty of like travel niches here. And you can like sign up here. Then is Expedia. It's a travel brand that is parent company of others on this list. Let me show you. Expedia, we can make more money, 6%. Then we can have like Marriott here. And Marriott is like offering hotels that you can like join. And 3% vacation packages. Also pretty good with a cookie duration 7 days. Travelocity, travel platform known for its price match, guarantee and affordable prices. That's something you can join too. And Priceline, another one for cheap deals on hotels, flights. It's like a great way how you can make money. The site looks good. 3.5%. Again, pretty amazing, right? Then we get like Hilton here, Hotwire, and Booking.com. And the one thing about Booking.com is that on browse close, you're not going to make any money. So they need to like click and actually buy it. With a Hilton global hotel brand, which is making also pretty good money, that you can make like good money. And Hilton got really huge history, so that's good. And now how you can actually make money with the travel affiliate programs. The first way is that you can create YouTube videos, YouTube content. That's a good way how you can make money. The second way how we can make money is to make through the articles. You can write articles about Hilton, about best places to visit, and then you would just like join Hilton or like best, I don't know, restaurants to see, and then you would like promote TripAdvisor, whatever. And these are the ways how you can actually make money with multiple affiliates. So I can come here and and Hilton. So Hilton looks a review tool, and you can make reviews. What do you think about it, etc. But mainly, I really recommend writing articles. Writing articles is a good way how you can make money, kind of effective way. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be pretty much to help you. But these are the ways. These are the best travel affiliate programs that you can join right now. And yeah. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.